Hi, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Traveler's Nanny, and welcome you to my lifestyle content, which is I want you to show how I make over aesthetically my room, which is very tiny, and it's actually like 3 meters by 6 meters. So you don't need a big room because you only sleep on it, so why you have to be in a big room? But my room is so small, yet it's so cluttered because I don't know where does my stuff came from. I have a lot of stuff that I don't use anymore, and I think it's a woman behavior that we always buy and we don't use. So I think I will make over my room and get all the clutters and give away some stuff that I don't use often. So this is your Traveler's Nanny. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment whatever you need to improve my videos and enjoy my videos, and I hope you get some stuff that it will help you to make over your room. Thank you and keep watching. I did a chair already, and so this is the remote, this is the tabletop, and this is the wire. So I have to take this out so I have a space to do. I love the color. Bedroom with a little decluttering, strategic planning, and a simple decor. I think I could create a perfect minimalist bedroom for my small and tiny bedroom. So I'm starting to order all this cute stuff from Amazon with my table and chair desk. It's a pair, and I didn't realize that it comes from a box with I have to DIY this stuff. So here I am doing some stuff that I never done before. So I know my room has a lot of clutter, so I'm starting to declutter the room and get rid of the stuff I don't want, because I want to make my room less clutter or very minimal decoration. So I think it's easy for me to find some stuff if I put home in every item, like my chargers, my cords, my phones, my books, my jewelry in their own places, and throw away all the stuff that I don't need or give it away. So I want my room to be more wider because my room is actually very small. It's like 3 meters by 6 meters because it's very tiny, and I want to embrace a neutral colors to make it more look wider, and I make it a very aesthetic use, like white, natural brown, and gray on my own design. And I think I balance my furniture into my bed sheets, so I choose white bed sheets also. And I have a closet there with a door, so I take it off and just leave it open like a traditional dresser, so I make it like very easy for me to get whatever I want. And I choose a very nice lamp on my table, not so bulky or whatever. And since my room has no light, so I cannot really put real plants, so I put like 1 or 2 green inside my room, and it's all like not real plants. Well, actually 3, but the other one is small, and then I can move around. So as you can see, my room is really light and airy. Contrast the color of my bedsheets, which is like blue or yellow or pink, and it's still like very cool to look at, and it's not very sharp. So not only the natural colors will improve your mood and well-being, but it can also make a room feel cozier and larger. Combine the natural light from the windows and the airy paint colors such as white, beige, or gray can give you a minimalist bedroom a soulful glow. If your current setup doesn't include good natural lighting, you can always use mirrors. That's why I add a vintage mirror, which is not so big, but it will make my room so cute and vintage looking. So you don't need to be your wall to be empty, because it will be look odd and so impersonal. But of course you don't want to over decorate the wall, otherwise it looks so cluttered, which is especially the room, which mean to be for resting and recuperating. So to choose one in your room that adds simple wall decor or a portrait and some white space and your unique design. What do you think? So plants are an easy way to add pops or colors that accent the neutral color in your room, and plus they can help your room maintain a clean, natural, minimalist look that feels so homey. So if you don't have a green tub, you might choose a very odd plant, which is the plastic one. So that's why my room has no window, so I put artificial plants, which is one or two, like maximum is three. I think it looks better. So Joran, this is now my new room. What do you think? It looks more airy, more fun, more clean, more wider, more brighter, and it will really uplifting your mood. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this is your Traveler's Nanny, and please don't forget to hit the like, the share, and subscribe so you'll be updated to our new coming videos. Thank you guys for watching again, and see you on my next vlog. Sayonara!